Looking for the perfect tool to manage your documents, notes, or knowledge? Today we're comparing Devonthink, Paperless NGX, and Obsidian to help you decide which is best for your needs. Let's dive in. Devonthink is a powerful macOS exclusive document management system. It organizes PDFs, email notes, and more with AI-powered search, tagging, and OCR. It supports offline use, syncs across Apple devices, and offers automation for complex workflows. It's perfect for researchers and professionals needing a robust all-in-one solution, but it's paid and limited to Apple ecosystem. Paperless NGX is a free open-source document management system that runs on your server. It's ideal for a paperless office. It automatically imports PDFs, scans, and emails using OCR to make them searchable with a clean web interface. It's great for managing receipts, invoices, and manuals across platforms, but requires a setup technical know-how. Obsidian is a free cross-platform note-taking app using Markdown for personal knowledge management. It excels at linking notes to create a web of ideas with plugins for tasks like OCR and web clipping. It's ideal for writers and students, but document management isn't its core strength. Now, let's compare. Devonthink shines for advanced users needing deep organization and automation, but it's pricey and Apple only. Paperless NGX is perfect for cross-platform document archiving with strong OCR, though setup can be tricky. Obsidian is best for note-taking and idea mapping, but less suited for heavy document management. For research or complex workflows, Devonthink. For a paperless office, Paperless NGX. For notes and ideas, Obsidian. Choose based on your needs. Devonthink for power, Paperless NGX for documents, or Obsidian for notes. Which one's your pick, guys? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.